Yo, what's up everybody, it's Darter Starfix and the iPhone 16 is closer than you think and it's packing some upgrades. We're talking design changes, camera improvements, and performance boosts that might just make this the biggest iPhone upgrade in years. So, whether you're an Apple diehard or just curious about the latest tech, stick around as we dive into the latest leaks, confirmed features, and expected launch details. Let's get started. First up, let's talk design. Early renders suggest the iPhone 16 will sport even slimmer bezels than its predecessor, pushing that screen-to-body ratio to the max. We've also seen rumors of a titanium frame making its way to all iPhone 16 models, not just the Pro versions. And get this. Word on the street is we might see a bump in screen size, with the Pro Max potentially hitting a massive 6.9 inches. But size isn't everything. Apple's also rumored to be bringing a 120Hz always-on display to the entire iPhone 16 lineup, meaning buttery, smooth scrolling and animations all day long. Under the hood, we're expecting Apple's A18 Bionic chip to power the iPhone 16. Knowing Apple, this thing is going to be a beast, with even faster app launching, smoother multitasking, and AI-boosted capabilities that'll blow your mind. Thermal management has been a hot topic, pun intended, with recent iPhones, but rumors suggest Apple's got a new cooling system in the works for the iPhone 16, which could mean even more sustained performance for demanding tasks like gaming and video editing. Chapter 3. Camera upgrades you have to see now. Let's talk cameras. The iPhone 16 is rumored to feature a triple lens setup across the board, with significant improvements to night mode for those stunning low-light shots. And for all you photography enthusiasts, rumor has it the Pro Max might get a dedicated zoom boost mode, pushing the telephoto capabilities even further. But it's not just about photos. Apple knows how important video is, so expect to see even better stabilization on the iPhone 16, making it a content creator's dream device. Chapter 4. Battery and charging. Going the distance. Battery life is always a big one, and from what we've heard, the iPhone 16 is going to deliver. Rumors suggest a larger battery capacity across all models, combined with the efficiency of the A18 chip, should translate to some serious screen-on time. On the charging front, expect to see MagSafe 2.0, potentially with faster wireless charging speeds. And here's a wild card. There's been talk of Apple introducing reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up your AirPods or Apple Watch directly from your phone. Chapter 5. iOS 18 and beyond. Of course, no iPhone would be complete without the latest software, and the iPhone 16 is expected to ship with iOS 18. While we don't have all the details yet, early leaks suggest some exciting new features like a more customizable lock screen, allowing you to personalize your iPhone like never before. Siri's also getting some love with enhanced language processing and on-device AI for even more intelligent responses. And for all you widget fans, iOS 18 is rumored to bring even more widget options and functionality. The future of iPhone is almost here. So there you have it, everything we know so far about the iPhone 16. From its sleek design and powerful performance to its upgraded camera system and battery life, the iPhone 16 is shaping up to be Apple's smartest, sleekest phone yet. What feature are you most excited for? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Peace.